Okay, greetings folks. We were meant to do a live stream today, but technical problems couldn't make it happen. So hopefully I'll get that resolved. Now, when we're looking at the question that came in was spiritual procrastination. When people aren't able to stay focused to get their practice done and the mind scatters and they end up doing other things. So the first aspect of this is prioritizing what's important to you. And when you prioritize the things you have in your life, you put most of your energy into the higher priorities and less of the energy into the lower priorities. So you've got to slot your spiritual work in somewhere on that vibrational scale. Once you've established that, now you know how much time and energy you've got available to put into your practice. Once you've established that, then it's a matter of looking at the vibrational scale. On bottom end, you've got scattered energy. On the top, you have focused energy. So you focus on a goal and you pull all your energy together to become one-pointed on achieving it. And so you do this simply by writing it down, clearly define, okay, this is the goal, this is the plan, these are the stages to achieving that. And then once you've framed it all out, you start acting upon it and you surrender to it. You give up the lower aspects of your ego, laziness, indecision, and so forth, to go, no, this is what I'm going to do. And once you surrender to what you're going to do, you put all your energy towards it until your mental, astral, and physical body have all surrendered towards achieving that goal. So you're fully synchronized on the goal. So this type of thinking is a little bit different to most spiritual people. Most spiritual people look at spiritual development as relaxation, as guided visualization, something to let go. Where in reality, spiritual work, whether it be of the nature of Vipassana or Samadhi, requires committed concentration. And when you're really putting in committed concentration, you're going to find that there are parts of you that are uncomfortable with it because those parts of you are threatened. And those parts of you are what are going to feed procrastination not to get things done, because you're giving up lower aspects of your personality to raise frequency to cultivate a higher aspect of your personality. So in relation to goal setting, you have to surrender to the goal, you have to define all the stages of achieving your goal, and that surrendering is giving up something to achieve something else. If you're not giving up something to achieve something else, the power of procrastination is still there. So you have to pinpoint why and let that go and raise frequency and become more focused. By surrendering mentally, astrally, and physically in action, astrally in passion, and mentally and in concentration, focus, you can synchronize everything to achieve that goal. Another aspect of procrastination that you may want to look at is environmental influences. How are the people around you supporting or distracting you from your practice? Are they generating a positive vibe for you to get to where you want to go and being a pillar of support, or are they making you weaker? So look at the people. Look at the place you're in. Is it conducive to practice? If, let's say, your goal is to master concentration and you're having difficulty, you need to put yourself in an environment where concentration is easy. So you make life force your meditation object. You learn that through building the ball. You go into a place where life force is far more powerful than you. And when you pay attention to it, it holds your mind because it's much more powerful than your ego. And because it's holding your mind, concentration becomes easier. And then as you move down the vibrational scale from powerful meditation objects to less powerful, then your level of effort has to increase to maintain concentration. So you utilize the law of rhythm this way to get your concentration to increase. By doing that, the procrastination just disappears. So you'll have all these strategies and tools to work with achieving your goal and dissolving procrastination. Anyway, I'll make an effort this month to post a video every day, and hopefully I get the live streaming happening. Thanks for those of you who helped with the live stream yesterday. Okay, thanks for your time, and see you on the next video.